Across the country, coronavirus cases are on the rise, sparking concerns a second wave is on the horizon as the cold weather season approaches. 34 states now reporting increases, more than 20 states setting records for new coronavirus infections, some on multiple days.
These are true increases largely related to a loosening of people's aggressive behavior, which is understandable with quarantine and pandemic fatigue.
Connecticut seeing its highest level of infection since June. The virus especially rampant in Midwestern states. In Michigan, officials warn the state may be seeing a second wave. In Oklahoma City, all ICU beds filled. And in Wisconsin, a field hospital is being set up to handle rising cases, prepping for as many as 550 patients. The state reporting more than 3,000 new cases Tuesday, the second record-setting day in less than a week. Dr. Anthony Fauci issuing a dire warning.
We're in a bad place now. We've got to turn this around.
More bad news as a leading vaccine and an antibody treatment have been put on hold. Tuesday, a safety issue led officials to pause a COVID-19 antibody therapy being developed by Eli Lilly. Monday, Johnson & Johnson halted its phase 3 vaccine trial after a participant became unexplainably ill.
The very fact that the trial has been paused and the data are being reviewed is a very good thing. It shows you that the system that we have in place to monitor the safety of the vaccines and the rigorous conduct of the trial is in place and it's working.
Despite the surges, the World Health Organization is warning against going back into lockdowns to control the virus.
What we want to try and avoid are these massive lockdowns that are so punishing to communities, to society, and to everything else.
Dr. Deborah Birx, head of the coronavirus task force, is calling on Americans to take precautions against new surges this fall, particularly as families plan for the holidays.
This virus can spread among families and friends if you take your mask off and you're primarily indoors.
Meanwhile, President Trump is urging Congress to pass another round of coronavirus stimulus aid, tweeting, "Stimulus, go big or go home." Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell is pledging a vote on smaller-scale legislation next week. Charlene Aaron, CBN News.